Hello there. My name is Olatunji Sobodu, Emet Leadership Academy. I'd like to invite you to our program, 12 Things to Do to Make You Stand Out at your workplace in 2022 or in your business. 12 things to make you stand out in your business or at your workplace in 2022. You and I would agree that it's often difficult to get ahead, to be recognized, to be rewarded, to be promoted, to be patronized if you don't stand out. If you're just like everybody else, if you operate like everybody else, then you will get the treatment that everybody gets. What makes you attractive? What makes it mandatory for others to treat you differently from others? Those are the things that we'll be discussing. There are a couple of secrets, and you need to know that. If you can put them to use, this year is bound to be a different year for you. I've been around for a bit. At least I have over 30 years of work experience, and I can say to the glory of God, there is no place where I have worked and I have been treated like everybody else. I've learned how to stand out. I never want to be treated like everybody else. So I'm always on the lookout for what can I do that will make me stand out, and to stand out for the right reasons, not for the wrong reasons. To stand out not by bootlicking, not by doing things that are untoward, not by playing eye service, but by doing credible things, credible strategies. And they are there for anybody to engage, to deploy, and so you would get the same kind of treatment, the same kind of results. 12 things to make you stand out at your workplace or in your business in 2022. It's a program by Emet Leadership Academy. The invitation, is hereby extended to you. Why not join me in that discussion? I look forward to seeing you in class. Emet Leadership Academy, leadership nurtured by truth. Look forward to seeing you. God bless you.